Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Telegram bot. First, understand that a bot is an automated account designed to perform specific tasks or interact with users. We will use BotFather, Telegram's official bot, to create your new bot and obtain its unique token. This token is crucial for connecting your bot to your code, allowing it to function as intended. To begin, open Telegram and search for BotFather in your contacts. It will have a verified badge. Start a chat with it, then send the command /newbot. BotFather will then ask you to choose a display name for your bot, which can be anything you like. Next, you'll need to pick a unique username ending in bot. Once you've successfully named your bot, BotFather will provide you with a unique API token. This long string of characters is your bot's key to the Telegram API. It's absolutely essential for any programming you do to make your bot functional. Treat this token like a password, keep it private, and never share it publicly to maintain your bot's security. With your bot token in hand, the next step is to connect it to your chosen programming environment. Many developers use Python due to its simplicity and robust libraries. You'll install a Telegram bot library, which simplifies interaction with the API. Then, you'll write code to define how your bot responds to user messages and specific commands, bringing your bot to life.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.